Hey y'all, and welcome to another model home tour. Today we are on the southeast side of Austin, Texas, and we are going to be checking out this beautiful model home that you see here behind me. But first, my name is Brock.Bremmer and I am your San Antonio and Austin, Texas realtor. If you are new to my channel or you've been watching my videos for quite a while now, thank you so much for your time and for checking this one out as well. Now again, we are here checking out this beautiful model home built by Taylor Morrison, and we are in the community of Easton Park here. Now again, this is on the southeast side of Austin, so you're very close to the airport. You're about 12 miles from downtown, and you're just a short drive from the Tesla Gigafactory that's currently being built out here. Now, a little bit closer to home here in the community, once it is all completed with construction, there's going to be about 350 acres of park space, and there's going to be about 13 miles of walking trails for you and your family to enjoy. Now, on top of that, they do host a lot of live music, food trucks, and all sorts of other events for all the families that live here in the community. So really, this is an incredible location for you and your family to settle down in, should you choose to live in this neighborhood. Now, regardless of whether or not you want to purchase this home, please reach out to me. I am here to help you on your home buying or the home selling journey, and I can help you with any home here in Austin, San Antonio, or anywhere in between. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is down below in the description, and I'll post it here on the screen for you. Now, without further ado, let's go check out this incredible model home. All right, y'all, welcome to the Amaretto floor plan by Taylor Morrison Homes. This is a lovely two-story home with ample amounts of space for you and your family, and depending on how the options turn out on the home, there's anywhere between 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 5 bathrooms, and it ranges anywhere in size from 2,558 square feet all the way up to 3,079 square feet. Now you'll see that the master bedroom is on the main floor here. There's also a lovely eat-in kitchen, as well as a fantastic patio outside, and the remaining rooms and a loft are upstairs. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below or reach out to me directly. Alrighty, y'all, thank you so much for checking out this incredible model home with me here in Easton Park. If you haven't already, go ahead and drop any comments and questions you have down below, and I will be responding to each and every single one of those. Now, if you have a more detailed question, or if you would like to purchase this home that we just saw, or any other home here in Austin or the San Antonio area, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below, and I'll post it here on the screen for you as well. I am here to make the home buying process as simple and as smooth as possible. There's a lot of moving parts, lots of things going on, and I will be here to take a lot of that burden off your shoulders so that it can be as least stressful as possible. So do not hesitate to reach out to me, and maybe you've got a friend or family member who is looking to purchase. I can definitely help them as well, so please get us connected and let them know that I am here to help them with whatever questions they may have. Right now, with the market shift that we're going through and experiencing, there's a lot of builders offering a ton of different incentives, and I wish I could tell you what those incentives may be, but they're always changing, and each builder has different incentives based on what they would like to offer their buyers. So if you would like to have the latest and greatest information and availability of these homes, please reach out to me. I would love to give that information to you, and more importantly, help you on your home purchase or home selling journey there. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like this video so I can push it out to someone who may need to see this. Maybe this is the home that they've been looking for, and liking the video will help get this video in front of them so that they can see it. Furthermore, if you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash the bell icon, that'll make sure you're notified the very next time I post a video. And with that, that is all I have for you today. I hope you have an incredible day, and I'll see you in the next video.